Hi, and welcome to Interpersonal Communication. I am Professor Wiggins. I'll be your instructor for this semester. I just wanted to make this video because I wanted to introduce myself as much in person as I can and kind of tell y'all what to kind of expect out of the course and kind of what interpersonal communication is. So I guess we'll start with that. Interpersonal communication is communication between two people. And it's the communication studies department in general, or discipline I should say in general, is closer to psychology than anything else. I've had a lot of students take psychology with interpersonal, and they say there's a lot of overlap. And to be honest, our discipline steals a lot of theories from psychology. So what to expect in this class, basically, as far as content goes, is you're going to learn a lot about yourself. Something that I love about teaching this class is, and I mean no disrespect to any other instructor or, any other discipline, but you are going to start using the content that you learn in this class right away. And I'm not saying that anything about my teaching, it's just the content. You are going to have better relationships. It's going to help you get, like I said, some insight and learn a lot about yourself, about the way you communicate, why we communicate the way we do, stuff like that. So it's going to be a really beneficial class for you. And again, I'm not saying that as far as my teacher. I mean, I hope you think I'm a good instructor, but I'm just saying that the content really speaks for itself, and it's really, really helpful. As far as I am concerned, just a little bit about me. I am originally from Texas. I'm from the Dallas area. So yes, I'm part of the stereotype of Texans moving to Colorado. Let's just get that out of the way real quick. But y'all, I've heard that y'all don't hate us Texans as much as you dislike the people from California. So anyway, I'm from Texas. We moved here for my husband's job. I am married. I love my husband. Let's hope, right? Why did I say that? I love my husband. What if I was like, wrong? No, I love my husband. As of me recording this, and I'm saying that because hopefully we'll have another, but as of me recording this, we have one beautiful daughter named Paige. She was born in April 2020, so like literally right in the thick of the pandemic. But she is so much fun, and obviously I'm obsessed with her. All the cliches and stereotypes of being a mom or a parent are true. Other than that, I like all the normal stuff, I guess. Or I don't like to use the word normal, but, I like watching Netflix and HBO and stuff like that. My guilty pleasure is reality TV. You can judge me. I'm kind of girly. I like to shop. I like to lay out in the summer. And I love true crime. Love it. I'm obsessed with podcasts in general. And I also, my favorite place is the beach. We go to the beach every summer with my family. And it's a lot of fun. I look forward to it every year. So I actually went to a community college too. I was sitting in my basic level communication course. They do it a little bit differently in Texas, or at least at the school that I went to. They don't get the choice between interpersonal and public speaking. I won't bore you with the curriculum in Texas, but I was sitting in my interpersonal class, or in my communication class, and I remember thinking, I don't want to go to my next class. I like coming to this class. I wish I liked all my classes like I like this one. And then it hit me. What if that's what I did? What if I taught this class? And ever since then, I followed that. I transferred to a 4-year university in Texas called Texas State University. It's right in between. It's in a town called San Marcos. It's in between Austin and San Antonio. So I transferred there. I joined a sorority. Some of you were like, oh, I knew I didn't like her. Give me a chance. And believe it or not, despite all the bad stereotypes, being in a sorority made me a better person. It really did. I'm not just saying that. I was on exec, so it taught me how to manage my time, because if you don't make grades, you don't get to do the fun stuff that you're in the sorority for. I had meetings all the time as far as, with the sorority, and then obviously being a full-time college student. And then I became the vice president, and that taught me a lot about leadership with your peers. So, again, despite the negative stereotypes, I had a really good experience in my sorority. I majored in communication studies and I minored in education. I almost taught high school. I did my student teaching, passed my certifications to be able to teach, and I thought I might, maybe I'll just get my master's just in case I want to teach college someday. And I'm grateful for that. High school, as of now at least, is not for me. If you're in high school, I don't hate you, but high school just wasn't for me for a lot of reasons. I got my master's at Texas State University. I stayed there for my master's. I got my master's in communication studies with an emphasis on interpersonal. So when I say I love what I teach, I mean that. That is what my focus was in graduate school. I love relationships. I love love. I love what I teach. I love what I do. I love teaching college. I like that I can be real with y'all. And just overall that I can get to know y'all and build real relationships with you. And yeah, I love what I do. I'm excited to get to know all of you this semester. I hope that you feel comfortable with me because you're going to be writing papers that are a little bit personal. But yeah, I'm always here for you. I want to help you succeed. I think that's my job. So you're never bothering me if you have a question. I might not reply right away, but I hope that you are excited about this semester and about this class because I am so excited about it. So I look forward to getting to know you.